Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restart Motorola Edge 60 Pro. Okay, so we have two methods how we can restart this device, and I'm gonna show you both of them. So the first method, which is recommended when you have access to the phone and the phone is responsive, is a simple reboot from the power menu. To do it, we need to tap the power button and the volume up button to launch the power menu, just like that. And now all you need to do is to simply tap on restart, then your screen will go black, and within a few seconds the phone will be automatically turned on back again and ready to use. But the second method is recommended when we don't have access to the phone, or for example when it's lagged or frozen and it's basically unresponsive. And it's called the force restart. To do it, we need to hold the power button and the volume up button until the screen goes black. So that is what I'm going to show you now. So let's keep on holding both of the buttons until the screen goes black. Okay. Now we can release our fingers, and just like in the previous case, the phone will be turned on within a few seconds automatically. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.